You doing it now?
This is snatching. So it starts with 8 steps over to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're going to kick, kick, and pause. So it's kick, kick, and pause. Kick, kick, and pause. And you can brush your shoes off in the pause if you like. And then you got 8 more over to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to do a side cha-cha and a back turn. So it's cha-cha and 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to step up. You're going to turn back 3 facing the front wall again. So a step up and 1, 2, 3. You're going to do a box step right here in the front. Box step, 1, 2, 3. Same on the other side. Box step, 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to do a step turn. So step on the left, step turn, and then you're going to step up with that left and tick on the back. So it was step tick, 1, 2. Do it on the right. Step tick, 1, 2. Roll right, roll left. Let's do it one more time and it starts over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, kick, brush your shoes if you want. Kick, kick, and pause. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha and turn. Step up, turn back to the front. Box step. 1, 2, 3. Box step. 1, 2, 3. Step turn. Step turn. Step tick, 1, 2. Step tick, 1, 2. And roll and roll.